Welcome to Ryan ToysReview.
Ryan,
Hi.
what do you have there?
I have a street dog bumper.
Nice.
Hi, I'm Bumper. Take me home, and I can play with you, and I can show you all the cool tricks I can do.
There's a button right there.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Bumper. Take me home, and I can play with you, and I can show you all the cool tricks I can do.
Here's what Bumper looks like out of the packet.
Going for a walk.
What are you doing, Bumper?
Chasing tail, chasing tail.
Ew, that's us. Why did he spit?
Don't go out into the street.
Look at this wiggly tail.
Stop right there.
Oh, where are you going? Go get him, Ryan. Go, Hope.
Oh, we pulled that.
Bye, like this baby. Let's let them go to the exit.
Next one. Ooh.